Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Dominique. Before we get into this video, if you haven't already, click the subscribe button and the bell button so you'll be notified when I post a new video. As you can tell by the title, this is another hair video. If you see my last video, you know I cut my hair again and I'm growing it out. The last time I cut my hair was November, so December, January, February, March. It's been 4 months. I'm probably gonna do a separate video, but this is just my hair right now, 4 months of growth, and I had like a whole low cut. It's not as stretched out as it could be, but this is it right now. This is not necessarily a tutorial because I still don't know what I'm doing, but I think I got the hang of it. So far it's been working. Disclaimer, I am not a professional hairstylist. I'm just a girl on YouTube videotaping myself braiding my hair, so please don't. I've done a video already doing box braids. It'll be popped up right here. Y'all can see that video. I think my hair was longer too. But this is just to show y'all how I braid my hair when my hair is kind of shorter. And it's not like a how I do it because it's my first time doing it when my hair is this short. But I feel like I'm talking too much, so let's just get straight into the video. It's so far. Don't look too close to the parts, okay? Don't look too close. Just see it from a distance, okay? But this is it so far. My hair is burgundy. Well, my new growth is black, but I got 1B. So far it's blending well, but on these rows you can tell. But look, who's gonna really be looking at the back of my head? And where am I going? We in a pandemic, so it's the hair that I'm using. The model, I think these were $5. I got 3 packs of these, so it came in, it was 3 and I got 3 of these, so technically 3, 6, 9 packs if you're getting like individual. But I like these because it's $5 for $3 in one. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. So this is, by the way, I look crusty, y'all, but look, y'all, if you new here, this is how I look most of the time. I use edge control, and I noticed that the tip or the goal when your hair is like kind of blunt and growing out, to really make sure it's like really flat at the end so it can blend well when you're braiding. Because as you can see, my hair is like blunt and not as stretched out, so edge control is really like the key to braiding your hair. So my hair, I started off doing small braids, but then they start getting big because I think I'm just ready to be done. So you just kind of have to estimate how big you want your braid to be. But I feel like as you go, you kind of, when you pull the hair out, you feel like, okay, this is definitely a little bit too much. So I'm gonna just take like a little bit out. So now you're gonna take one side and put it over. Take one side and put it over like that, right? So like a crisscross type of thing. Did I do it wrong? Hold on. You have 2 strands. You're gonna put 1 strand on top and it should be like that. And then you're gonna like bring it down like that. So you should have 3 strands, right? This is what you're braiding, right? So the middle part, this part right here, is gonna be combined with your hair, right? Usually I just kind of hold it like this so that I can just basically add it to the middle. And then the 2 other pieces of hair that's not combined, you kind of just fold them together or around each other, and then just kind of start braiding it together. And you want to get as close to your scalp as possible. I didn't really get it that way because I'm trying to explain it, but you see. And then I add edge control as I go to make sure that my hair is blending, even though it's probably not because my hair is burgundy and this hair is 1B. If you need to rewind it back and watch it over, like you can. I know it's hard to explain it because I still don't know what I'm doing, but I'm trying my best to show y'all. I use these 2 fingers to connect this hair with my hair. So I take these 2 fingers and I add it to the middle. So now I have a grip on my hair and the hair. And then the 2 other strands are on this side of my finger and down here. So then I take the 2 other strands, right? This is the middle strand with my hair, and these are the 2 that were by themselves. I kind of fold it around, and then I bring the one with my hair around, and I start braiding. And I just keep braiding. And I keep on braiding. You see that? And then it's a better grip. I mean, it's not the best grip, y'all, but it's gripping, like it's not gonna be sliding off. But I could have got closer, but like I said, I'm not professional. I just kind of got it right now. So what I like to do is put a clip here just to keep it in place so I won't be pulling my hair out. But y'all can see the braid. If you're not new here, y'all know how it is with my parts. If you're new here, now you know how I am with my parts. And sometimes when like my hair is not fully in, but I don't feel like going back, I kind of just get some edge control and wrap it around and push it in, because look, I'm ready to be done. I've been doing these since yesterday night. So yeah, that's how I braid my hair now. It takes a lot of practice, I can say that. This is literally my first time doing this technique, and it's easy once you get your fingers get in the motion of it. I think next time I do it, it's gonna be way better. I think I did pretty good. Okay, so this is the final look. All I did was dip it in, put edge control, and then the mousse on top, and I let it sit. It's actually the next day. First of all, my hair actually hurts, and that means that I really was gripping my hair. It lasted for a while, which is crazy because I won't be having it in for a while, but don't look too close to the parts because I know they're crooked. But this is just to show y'all, come like down to my butt, like past my butt. So, and I'm 5'1" and a half, and it comes past my booty. Hopefully this tutorial is helpful. If you need to go back, try to put it in slow-mo. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm not that great at explaining, but hopefully y'all caught on. And it takes practice, y'all. Like, it literally takes practice. Like, once your fingers get in the motion of it, then you'll get it. If this tutorial isn't helpful, you can go check out my other tutorial when I did the crochet method. It's easier. It's more a longer, it's not really a longer process. It's about the same, but if you want to have a different option, you can go check that video out as well. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video. If you want to, you can drop a comment. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All that content by Dom. And yeah, hopefully y'all like it. I think it's cute. My hair is actually red, which is crazy because you can't really see. I mean, when you look up close, you can, but I think I'm gonna color my hair back black. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.